Take it.
You gonna get some more?
Take it.
The chicken took it?
Yes.
Okay, get her some more. Go get her some more. We're giving watermelon. You wanna give her some more?
No,
Here.
it did.
Come here, chicky.
Chicky.
Get her some more.
It's a chicky.
Here, you gotta give her some food. Here, chick.
Chick. Let's do it again. Baby.
What's that chicken's name?
Chicken.
Chicken? Well, then what's this one's name?
White.
What's that one's name?
Black.
What's that one's name?
Pink.
That's Pink? All right. But Danny doesn't want fruit. Here, give it to that one. Oh, almost. Here, come give it to your chicken. Here, you go sit down.
Sit down.
Lucas has to sit down.
Just